So I would like to make a quick correction to the previous screencast. I believe that when I was talking about cattle belching, I may have said that they are belching CO2, but in fact they're belching methane. Now there are a number of interesting processes that happen where that methane originally developed from CO2 being taken in by plants that the cattle then eat. So it's not a straightforward line, and it is complicated, but just to clarify the overall point that the cattle are belching methane, not CO2, and it's a kind of slightly different than methane from fossil fuels, not in its chemical formulation, but in the fact that some of that methane that's being added to the atmosphere, it comes from taking in CO2 out of the atmosphere. So there may be processes that we can find that will reduce both methane production and still taking the CO2 out of the atmosphere.